All right, so I'm going away this weekend and I need an outfit that's like comfortable but also really stylish. So I have 4 options to show you. You need to help me choose one. So this is the first one, which is the scuba set. Really comfortable. It is so soft, stretchy. You have the pant with the pockets. I mean, just beautiful, zipper details, little collar. Let me show you the next one. Option number 2, a little bit more nautical. You have this gorgeous terry striped with a hoodie. I'm pairing it with the knit denim. Now, this really looks like I'm wearing a denim, but it's actually a knit. Super cute. Again, a little bit more yacht, nautical, but I still have 2 more options. Option number 3 is this cold dye terry, pink, a little bit of a pop of color. Love the flower applique, and I paired it with a denim jogger that you can actually roll up or roll down. This is less loungy, a little bit more casual, but I like the colors. Okay, so option 4, last option, we have this flowy tencel pant with pockets, beautiful light blue, and what's a getaway without a little bit of sunshine? So a yellow printed on reverse top. So let me know which one is your favorite. Leave a comment. Thanks, love you.